Okay, students, in this video, let me explain the introduction of exercise 2.5, which is very important, not only for plus 1, if you go to plus 2 also, this is very important. Now, solving quadratic inequalities. Students, you know how the quadratic equation look like. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is quadratic equation. Then you know how to solve that. How to solve means how to find the values of x. Because the degree is 2 roots we will get. You can use any method. By factorization method you can use, by formula method also you can use. Then you can solve that equation very easily. Suppose if there is less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0, then what is the procedure? That means you should check not only for 0 but also less than or equal to 0. Less than 0 also you must check. Okay, for that, or greater than or equal to 0. For that, there are certain steps are there that you should remember, students. First one, solve this equation ax square plus bx plus c. That means factorize this one without considering less than 0. Equal to 0, you can factorize very easily. Now, after finding the values of x, okay, these x points are known as the critical points or critical numbers. For example, x is equal to 2 you got, x is equal to 3 you got. Those who are the critical points or critical numbers. Now, divide this entire real number line by using these critical points. For example, this is a real line you already know, minus infinity, infinity. You got x is equal to 3 as critical numbers. So this entire real number line you should divide into intervals. Then how will you divide means more than greatest value. So more than greatest value up to infinity. So that is one interval. Nama 3 la irundhu infinity kulla or interval consider pannanom. So greater than the greatest value. Then less than the least value. Least value 2. அதுக்கு கீழ நம்ம இது வரைக்கும் போக முடியும்னா minus infinity வரைக்கும் போக முடியும் left side. Okay, 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 like that. So in between ரெண்டுக்கு மூணுக்கு நடுவுல. So that means what we are covering entire real line by using these critical points x is equal to 3. So that is the meaning of this sentence. Divide the real number line, that is minus infinity to infinity. A real number line I already told, entire numbers you can represent by using real number. Okay, by using critical points. This x is equal to 3. When we will get the critical points, once you solve this equation only, you will get. Okay, each and every interval check the sign of given inequality. That means this inequality. Check the sign means what? Whether it is less than 0 or greater than 0, you have to check. For that one procedure is there. Interval, sign, you can check very easily. Then identify the intervals where the inequality is satisfied. That means, for example, you got these 3 inequalities, these 3 intervals. What are the intervals? Minus infinity to 2, one interval like this. Minus infinity to 2, one interval. Next 2 to 3, another interval. Next 3 to infinity. So we don't know in which interval it is less than 0 or greater than 0. That we have to identify by taking at least one point in this interval. நம்ம எல்லா பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியாது. அது வந்து 1 இயர் கூட ஆகும். ஏதாச்சும் ஒரு பாயிண்ட் நம்ம இந்த இன்டர்வல்ல you should take, then you should check the sign of this one, that is less than or greater than, because 0 you need not check. At the critical points it is 0 only, no, that's what we evaluated, that's what we got it as a roots. So 0 you need not check, less than 0 you have to check. Then in the answer you can use the closed interval, no problem at all. So these are the points you must remember, students. First solve the equation and get the values of x. X values are known as critical points. Divide the real number line by using these critical points. Suppose 2 critical points are there, 3 intervals you will get. அது எப்படி நம்ம டிவைட் பண்ணனும் அத நான் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி இருக்கேன். More than greatest value. அப்ப இங்க வந்து 3 க்கு மேல infinity. Less than least value 2 க்கு கீழ. So minus infinity. In between நடுவுல 2, 3. அப்போதான் நமக்கு entire real number line கவர் ஆகும். Okay, நீங்க ஒரு பாயிண்ட்ல மட்டும் டெஸ்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. Okay, generalize பண்ணணும். Okay students, so check the in each and every interval take one point, check the sign of this inequality. If it is less than 0, that is your answer. Okay, if it is greater than 0, that for particular greater than sign you have to check. That is the fifth point. Identify the intervals where the inequality is satisfied. So these 5 points you must know, students. Okay. Now based on these points, now we are going to solve exercise 2.5. Only 2 problems, students. ஒரு chocolate சாப்பிட்ட மாதிரி இருக்கும். Okay, sorry. We'll start exercise 2.1 first problem in the next video. Okay, students, if you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.